Hi, it's Phili Wirangi here. I'm super excited that you're watching this video because obviously you've clicked on it to get some info around CashFX, around what I'm doing, what we're doing in the Forex market space. So I'm going to do this in hopefully in about 10 minutes, might be a little bit more, might be a little bit less. A quick overview around CashFX and kind of really keep it simple and basic level. There are other videos and other things that you can check out if you want to go deeper level with it, but I'm just going to go like really basic overview for CashFX at the moment. So I have personally been in CashFX since about the end of October 2020. I'm recording this now. It is June 9th to be precise. So it's been like, what, 7 months, I suppose, that I've been in CashFX. And for me personally, when I got started in CashFX, I got started investing $1,300 US in packs in CashFX, and I did that over 3 separate packs, not just all one pack. The reason I did that is because you get to leverage more of the system and you get to make more money faster doing multiple packs. And so what you're doing with CashFX, when you're buying a pack, the minimum amount is $300 US. So you're paying the money, you're buying the pack, but you're not actually buying it with money, with dollars. You're actually buying it in Bitcoin first. So in order to get started with CashFX, you need to set up a Bitcoin wallet. And don't worry if you don't have that already, I can help you get that set up. So you need to be buying $300 worth of Bitcoin, and then you're sending that Bitcoin into CashFX. What happens when they receive it after 72 hours business days, so 3 business days after you buy your pack, it's being traded for you on the Forex market, on the foreign exchange market. You don't actually have to do any of the trading yourself because the brokers that CashFX work with, they actually do the trading on the Forex market for you. And if you don't know what the Forex market is, it's basically how we have New Zealand dollars, US dollars, Australian dollars. So it's trading currency. So it's trading fiat currency. And it's like, how the currencies go up and down, right? Like if we're buying something in US dollars, you having to convert that, do all of that. So that's basically what's happening in the foreign exchange market is when a certain currency is rising and going up, the brokers or whoever is doing it is buying that currency when they think it's going to start going up. So then they're making money when that currency is going up. If they think it's going to start falling, losing value, they're going to sell that currency off, and they're going to buy another currency. Maybe it's Great British pound, right? Maybe that's going up. So then they're going to sell the currency that they were holding off, and they're going to buy another currency that's going up before this one goes down. So it's kind of a simple way to explain and how that works. That's being done in the background. You don't have to worry about doing any of that. You don't even have to learn anything about that because it's just being done. You're just paying the money and it's being done for you. So that is how it works. And the way that CashFX does it is you can buy packs from $300 up until $100,000. And they are contractually obliged, when you're buying your pack, they're contractually obliged to double your pack amount. So if you're starting with a $300 pack, they are going to double your pack, so 200%. Once they reach that 200%, that's like your contract's finished. You're on your way. Or if you want it to keep going and keep trading, you can upgrade your pack to the next level. So before your pack goes from, $300, to the 200%, so say it gets to like 150%, and you don't want it to cap out, which means reaching 200%. What you would want to do is reinvest the money that you have earned. If it's gotten to 150%, you would have earned, I don't know, $300, $400 or something. I think. I don't know if my maths is correct there. You want to put back in $200 that you have received from CashFX, from your returns, and use that to upgrade from a $300 to a $500 pack. and you want to keep doing that. Like ideally you want to keep doing that until you reach to the 100K pack. Now let me go and share my screen and just show you this spreadsheet quickly. You can find the spreadsheet in our CashFX info group, by the way. So if you just kind of search this up on Facebook, CashFX info, or if you're on my Instagram, it will be in my bio link, in my milkshake link. You'll like near the bottom, this CashFX info link will be there. Request to join the group, put in the name of the person that sent you this video so that when we approve, we know it's people that have come through one of us, but it's in here. So come to the CashFX info group. There's like lots of stuff in here, info. This is the spreadsheet I'm going to show you. Watch this video as well. Like there's lots of things in here. But let's go back to the spreadsheet. So here we go on the left-hand side, the pack amount. So it goes from $300 to down here, 100K pack. This is the next upgrade from a 300 to 500, 500 to 1,000, blah, 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 blah. This is how much you need to go and upgrade from a 300 to a 500. It's obviously $200 you need to put in. And then, yeah, I feel like this is pretty straightforward. What I want to show you is, so each week, from Monday to Friday, CashFX is, well, not CashFX, the broker CashFX is working with is trading your pack on the foreign exchange market. It's actually 70% of your pack is being traded. If I show you over here in the results, let me show you just from last week's results. Top here, it's got the percent was 5.18%. So this isn't 5.18% of the $300. If you calculate that, like it's not going to make sense, like it's not going to add up. CashFX trades 70% of your amount. So let's work with a $1,000 pack because it's easier to calculate. So 70% of a $1,000 pack is $700. So $700 is traded. So it's $700. 5.18% of $700, you'll be getting $36.26 trade returns per week. The other 30% that actually goes towards the academy package, the academy training, that includes the training that is in the back end of CashFX for if you're wanting to learn about the Forex market and stuff, and that is also what is paid out for commission. So CashFX does have a network marketing side to it, and you do get commissions when people sign up under you, and that is where the money is coming from that 30% of your trading pack. Okay, so just an FYI as well, if you've just heard me say network marketing, you're like, holy shit, I don't want to do network marketing. Like, nope. Don't worry, you don't have to do that side. You can just invest and just do the trade only side. Like, you don't have to go and promote it to your friends and family. You don't have to talk to anyone about it. You can literally just buy your pack and leave it. And then just upgrade, as you go along, and just no one needs to know. That's totally fine. You're still going to be making the money from these returns, from these weekly returns, but that network marketing side is there as well for those of you that want to get like a referral commission when you're referring people in. So there's that too. So let me just jump back over to here. So when we are at a $300, a $300 pack, you're earning about $10, $11, $12 a week from that, which is all good, right? That's totally way more than what you're going to earn if you've got $300 invested in the bank. It's probably more than you're going to earn if you've got, I don't know, 50 grand or 100 grand in the bank. If you earn, $10 a week interest from that, that's pretty up there. That's pretty good. Like, have a look at your bank statement and see how much interest you've earned in your bank. It's probably fuck all. So yeah, even $10 from a $300 pack per week is heaps. And knowing that that's going to double for you, you're not going to worry about having to do anything for it. Like, it's a pretty sweet deal. Ideally, what you want to do is you want to upgrade your way from a 300, or you might want to start at $1,000. You might want to start at 5,000, whatever your budget is for you. But let's go with 300. If the average returns are about 5.5% per week, it's going to take you 56 months to upgrade your way using your returns without any commissions from referrals or anything. This is just pure returns. It's going to take you 56 months to upgrade to a 100K pack. When you're at a 100K pack, so look down here. So approx trading return per week at 100K pack, $3,850. That's US dollars per week. And that's just trade. That's trade only, not including commissions from referrals and all of that. Like that's pretty freaking epic, right? So that's what I absolutely love about this, and what got me on is that in the beginning, I didn't want to refer anyone. I just really didn't want to talk about it. I just wanted to have money working for me in the background. And then, I don't know, a couple of weeks after joining, I was like, well, okay, I'm going to refer people. But yeah, I was just like, okay, I just want to get to the 100K pack, be earning the, you know, 3-4 grand, whatever US per week. Like that is a pretty sweet deal to me. And then let's have a look in here. What I want to show you for May is the, sorry, the monthly results for May. So look at this. If you had a 100K pack trading in May, you would have withdrawn $15,106 US dollars for the month, right? And that's literally just trade only, just purely passive, which is super epic. And the percent for the whole month was 21.58%. What I want to show you as well is the whole of 2020. So January to December 2020, the yearly trade percentage was 329.54%. That is insane. If you know anything about bank interest rates and all of that stuff, like 300% interest, like returns you're going to get back, like it's totally unheard of. This one here, December, 16%. This is the lowest that the results have been for a month, but even 16% is pretty high, right? And that's just low because in December, there's Christmas break, New Year's break, all of that. And the foreign exchange market doesn't run on weekends, and it doesn't run on Christmas Day, New Year's Day, and I think like Easter. So those holidays, it's like the entire foreign exchange market, not just CashFX, just doesn't run at all. It only runs Monday to Friday US time. So that's a reason why that's at 16%, but even then it's pretty good. But let's have a look up here, like before COVID, right? So March kind of like is the beginning of the pandemic. 30% there, 37, 36%, like those are pretty high. And you can see here when the pandemic started happening, it started going lower a bit, got a little bit high there. And at the moment it's sitting between 20 to 25% per month for the trade results. So I think I've covered everything so far. I've covered the trade results. I've let you know that there's a 70% thingy. If you want more info, jump into this group here. There's like all the trade returns are there. They get updated each week. Watch this video to talk about why, to learn about why I started with the 3 packs rather than the 1. If you have a bit of money to spare to put in, then you want to split it out over the 3 packs. If you want some help with that, just let me know. Send me a message on Instagram or whatever, and yeah, I can help you kind of strategize that a bit more, because if we're looking at this, if you're starting off with 1 pack, when you get to a 100K pack with your 1, you're going to get $3,000-4,000 a week. But imagine if you had 3 packs trading at 100K, you're making like what, 12 grand a week US. Pretty insane. So you kind of want to like work the system that way. So just let me know if you want help. Yeah, I think that's about it for this video. Jump into that CashFX info group to kind of get more details. Like, as I said, I just wanted to make this really basic just to give people the first, the first bit of info. But if you're like me, you're just like, okay, I just want to jump in because it sounds really cool. Then just go ahead and follow the instructions to get started. They're probably under this video here in the description, and a disclaimer as well. Obviously only put money in, let me stop my share, only put money in that you are willing to use. Like when I jumped in with the $1,300, I was like, whatever, if I lose that, it wasn't not a big deal to me. And I wanted to check it out first. I wanted to be like, okay, is this something that I want to put more money into? And then it was, and I did put some more money into it after that. So just, yeah, put money in that you're willing to lose. I don't actually think you're going to lose anything with this. I've never lost anything. There's literally never been a week where there's been like 0% return or even a negative return since I've been in here. So I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah. Let me know if you have questions. All right. Bye-bye.